Hi, welcome to MBS Employee Center Costa Rica. In this center, we're providing services for hard to retire to North America, supporting more than 24,000 employees in that region. Some of the processes that we support here are compensations, workforce administration, recruiting, HR ops, and employee relations. So thank you for being here, and pura vida.
Hi, we aim to deliver extraordinary services to our colleagues in North America by providing accuracy, professionalism, and expertise in our HR processes, focusing on the employee experience and making sure that you are left with the feeling that your question was resolved on a timely manner, and that the next time you reach out to us, you will be as pleased as today. We love what we do, and we are living the joy every minute of it.
Hi, we are Workforce Administration. We process employee career events like promotions, salary increase, and lateral moves. Every time we process a transaction, we touch an employee's life, so accuracy and timeliness are our two main objectives.
Bienvenue chez WFA. Nous supportons la région de l'Amérique du Nord et nous donnons le service en français, anglais et espagnol. Nous sommes le corps de l'organisation.
Hola. The Employee Relations team is made up of a group of highly experienced HR professionals. We help employees and we coach managers when they're having issues in 4 key areas: job abandonment, discipline, performance, or compliance. We partner with managers, HR managers, legal, and business integrity to carry out investigations and implement the necessary disciplinary actions so that we make sure that everyone's living up to the company's values and making Mondelez a great place to work. Pura vida.
Hello, the recruiting department for MBS Costa Rica is dedicated to identifying the top talent for Mondelez. We believe in fulfilling our mission and vision by finding candidates with the right attitude and aptitude, knowing that the most valuable asset of our company is our people. Our team believes in teamwork and consistently working with passion and aligning to the Mondelez values. As a manager, I believe in empowerment and allowing our people to act like owners and take responsibility in their everyday work. Lastly, the key to our success is enjoying what we do, where we work, and the people we interact with. Pura vida.
In MBS Costa Rica, we are setting up the basis towards a worldwide operational excellence by implementing Lean. The daily management system approach is an example of it, in which all the levels of our organization are aware of the performance of our center. This is how we do it. We plan, we do, we check, and we act. Pura vida.
Coming from our North American business, I find the people here in Costa Rica to have great experiences that we can leverage. I am excited to unleash the power of the people in Costa Rica. Pura vida!